Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to use gradient color for lock screen clock on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to change your lock screen color from this white or black color to a gradient color on the lock screen, then this video is going to walk you through how you can do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to use gradient color for lock screen clock on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is press the side button once to lock the iPhone screen. Then once unlock your iPhone screen to Face ID or Touch ID, and then go ahead and press and hold the lock screen just like this. Click on Customize. Now once you selected Customize, on the Customize wallpaper page, go ahead and click on lock screen. Then here, click on the clock on the lock screen page like this. Now to use the gradient color on the clock on your lock screen, just come here and click on this gradient color. Then you see that. And once you're done, you can come here, change the font. So it's not going to change the gradient color back to default. And once I go with that, just go ahead and click outside. Then go ahead and click on the done button at top right. Then there you go. Go ahead and click on the photo or the lock screen. Then once your iPhone screen is locked like this, what you're going to see is the gradient clock version on the lock screen. See that? So that is basically how to use gradient color for lock screen on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.